So I'm Alex. For the last few weeks, like hundreds of developing mostly for Android. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Enter? Oh, space, right? Space. Good. So, Android is normally used with Java, some special Java, but we are here about C++. And first of all, it must be understood that Android OS is a Linux distribution according to Linux Foundation. Now, there are other, some people don't agree, but we can expect that Linux Foundation knows what they speak about. It started in 2007, and the OS itself is mostly written in pure C++, with parts of Java naturally. And what we started to do when it all began, we simply used the source tree of the system to build our custom components in C++, because the public SDK that was available at that time was Java only. The build system of the OS is GNU-Make now it is something different. It was GNU-Make with heavy customized templates and everything, and after a while, after about 2 years, Android team understood that they must provide some public tools for C++ development, and they built NDK, Native Development Kit for Android, which was based on the same build model as the AOSP. And still, until today, we mostly use things like Android.mk to build our libraries. Mostly we use, we convert our C++ modules into JNI libraries that can speak with Java. The JNI in Android is absolutely clean, standard JNI as declared by Oracle or Sun, if you will. So nothing different, and they're very strict in following all the conventions. Once we could work with Eclipse to somehow help us with the C code, now luckily we don't need it anymore. And where we go? Okay, so today this NDK is at release 17b, and it must be remembered that it is updated almost every quarter, and there is very strong reason not to stay with older NDK. Every release brings new fixes, new features, and improves your life as a developer. There are some painful jumps between NDK versions, but they are worth it. Don't stay with older versions. What else? Now today, this C++ development is fully integrated with Android Studio since version 2.2. But important thing to remember: always keep the latest Java plugin, Android plugin in Gradle for your Android application. Once again, because they also improve and fix many things and make your life easier. Now, ABIs on Android, you must support ARM v7 and ARM v8 64-bit, and it's nice to have x86. What else? Okay, well, there are many native APIs that you can use on Android only, and it's worth to know that they exist and don't invent a wheel when you have something native and working from Google, and you cannot use non-public native APIs on Android. Since recently they strictly require that you only use public native APIs on your in your models. You cannot use, for example, the system OpenSSL. No way. And the last thing that I wanted to say, that there still exists this notion of standalone toolchain for people who want to port a library that is not built with CMake or with NDK, and it works, but it is going to be obsolete very soon. And remember, 64-bit is a must. Very soon you cannot produce an application without 64-bit support. And here you have some links if you want to follow them. Thank you very much.